Namaste and welcome to the world of Indian organic food. Are you looking for high quality, chemical free ingredients to elevate your cooking? Look no further. In this video, we'll explore the richness of Indian organic food items that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body. Let's start with our star product, organic cane jaggery powder. Made from naturally harvested cane, this powder is a healthier alternative to refined sugars. Rich in minerals and antioxidants, it adds a depth of flavor to your recipes. We also offer a range of organic vegetable powders, from spinach to beetroot and more. These powders are made from fresh, organic vegetables and are perfect for adding a nutritional boost to your dishes. India is famous for its spices, and we offer a wide range of organic options, from turmeric to cumin and more. Our spices are sourced from local farmers and are free from additives and preservatives. Millets are a staple in Indian cuisine, and we offer a range of organic options, from quinoa to ragi and more. Our millets are grown using sustainable practices and are rich in nutrients and fiber. All our products are certified organic, non-GMO, and sustainably sourced. By choosing our products, you're supporting local farmers and promoting environmentally friendly practices. Ready to experience the richness of Indian organic food? Contact us for bulk orders and inquiries. Let's connect and bring the flavors of India to your table. Now buy this organic product at Riva. Organic store at one place. Hurry up fast. Link in descriptions. If you want dropship this product, then visit Riva Organic Dropship.solutions. Bye-bye. See you later to stay healthy and fit. Subscribe to our channel and never miss an update.